Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to merge two tables in Excel using Power Query. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first convert this data in table. So simply select the first data. So you just select the inside the any cell, and you can just press the Ctrl T to convert this data in table. So you can see the small dialog box is open to create table. Click on OK to convert this data in table. Same as the second data, click on the inside the data and you just press the Ctrl T to convert this data in table. Okay. Now select the first table and just go to the table design. And in properties, you can enter the name of table. So I just enter here the table 1. Okay. And don't give the space here. Just enter the table 1. Okay, and in second table select it, again go to the table design and enter here table number 2. So table number 2, okay, without space. Okay, you just enter the name of table. After that, just click anywhere in table number 1, then go to the data tab. In get and transform data group, click on the get data option, then click on the from other sources, then click on the from table or range option. Okay, after that you can see the Power Query editor is open. For table 1, as I select it, okay, you can see table 1 here showing table 1. After that, click on the close and loop. Okay, just click on it, and here you can see your table 1 here in Excel. Same for the second table process. Click on the second table. Okay, again go to the data tab. In get and transform data, click on the get data, then click on the from other sources, from table or range, and same as the for table 2 Power Query editor is open. Okay, same as in home tab, in close group, click on the close and load. Okay, just click on the close and load, and same as table 2 sheet also added here. Okay, now just go to the table 1 sheet. Okay, same as click on anywhere in the table, go to the data tab. In get data, click on the combine queries and click on the merge. Okay, and here you can see the merge dialog box is open. Select tables and matching the columns to create a merge tables. Okay, in table 1, you can click here and drop down arrow also. Select the table 1 here, then click on the drop down arrow and select the table 2. Okay, and you need to select the one common column of these two data. Okay, so for merge this data, you need to have a one column, common column, okay, in two table. So I select here the customer ID, same as here also customer ID. So both are match, okay. And after that, you can select here left outer as selected here. Okay, then click on OK. And again, you can see merge one Power Query editor is open. Okay, here the data merged. In merge, you can see here is the merge. In last table 2, just click on this arrow. Okay, and click on the expand. After that, click on the OK. And see the table is expanded. Okay, so both table is merged here. Okay, after that, click on the same option, close and load. Okay, wait for the few seconds, and here you can see the both table is merged. And here you can see the merge data. But in this merge data, you can see the customer ID C004 is not showing. Okay, in both column. Okay, in table 1 and table 2 also. But here in table 1, C004 is not available, but in table 2 is C004 is available. Okay. In this case, Power Query only merge, okay, match common data. Okay, those are, I select the customer ID is a common key of this board data. So those are matched in both table, only those data is merged here. Okay. So if you want to merge all the data, okay, which are not common, so you can just click on the table. I just click on the table one. Again, merge by data. Okay. Click on the table one, go to the data and get and transform data. Click on the get data. Click on the combine queries and click on the merge. Okay. And here you can see the merge dialog box is open. Okay. Now here table one is selected, same as table two you are selected. Select the common key. Okay. So common column is customer ID, customer ID. Okay. But here you can see the C004 is not available, but here C004 is available. If you want to combine this also, C004, merge this also, then you just select in joint kind, just click on the drop down arrow and just select the full outer all rows from the both. Okay. And then click on it. Now you can see the all data will merged. Okay. So I same as I click on this and click on the expand, click on the OK and click on the close and view. Now you can see C004 also we added. See, this also added in merge 2. In merge 1, you can see C004 is not available. Okay. So this is a way you can easily merge two tables. Okay. With the common key, with the common column or without common column also. Okay. So that's it. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.